Good morning, Divya. Good morning, Dhruti. Good morning, Kavya. Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Started writing assignments. I've given the assignment. Okay. Is the notepad is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Notepad. Can you see the notepad? Please respond. Okay. Did you got the assignments of any other subjects? Did you got the assignment of? Okay. Kavya says yes. Which subject you got apart from Python? Any last submission dates? Unix. Okay. What is the last submission dates they have given? Unix and CNS. Okay, CNS is end of this week. Okay, how about Unix? Okay, Unix already submitted. Durga says it's already submitted. Okay, let us wait for few minutes. Good afternoon, Varshini. Good afternoon, every one of you. Good afternoon, Ritvik, Abhishek. Hi, Karthik. Good afternoon. Hi, Vamshi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Sanya. I hope everyone are practicing every day. Hi, Rakshita. Good afternoon. I hope you can see the notepad on the screen. Please respond me. Do you see the notepad on the screen? Any one of you? Okay. 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 Uh-huh. Um, um, okay. చేస్తాను సార్ ఎప్పుడు సార్ ఇప్పుడు సార్ అది ఆ నంబర్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి సార్ సార్ సరే సార్ పంపించండి సార్ సరే సార్ సార్ ఇది సార్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను సార్ పంపించండి సార్ నేను సార్ ఓకే గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ do you see the notepad on the screen? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. In the last class, I told you about the list. Okay. Everybody must know what is the list and its various methods. Okay. It has sort. Okay. It has sort. It has insert. It has append. It has remove. Okay. I have explained you with examples. I told you about strings also. What is a string? String is also like a list only. Okay. String is also similar to list. Even we did the program on a magic 8 ball. Okay, like this. Say just I want to give you some little introduction about programming. Okay, if you want to be a good programmer, you must analyze the problem. Okay, and you must develop the program. Okay, then you must dissect it. Okay, dissection is nothing but operation. Okay, dissection is nothing but operation. You may get question like write a dissection about a program. Okay, similarly we must keep on doing the trial and errors on the program. Now you can see that today's topic is mutable and immutable data types. Mutable, it's very important concept. Mutable, whenever we say mutable, these are the data types which can be added, which can be removed, or which can be changed. If you see the example here, list. If you see the example list here, L1, it has 1 2 3 4. Okay, it has 1 2 3 4. After that I am assigning that one with 2.5. Okay, where I am changing that one. Okay, it is allowed in the list data type. those type of uh, those type of data types are known as mutable data types. Okay, say these are known as mutable data types. Okay, similarly when it comes to the immutable, immutable, okay, these data types will not allow you to add or remove or change the things. Say example is string. String is immutable. Similarly, tuples will be having tuples, which is also immutable. Is immutable. Okay. Please everybody type mutable and immutable in the chat box. Just the words mutable and immutable with examples. Every one of you type the mutable and immutable with their types. mutable and immutable. Just the words. I want the word to be typed. Mutable and immutable. Please type in the chat box. Okay, mutable is list, immutable is int and float. Okay, good. Just the words mutable and immutable. Good. Every one of you. I'll wait for you. Mutable, immutable. Okay. Mutable, immutable. Every one of you. Mutable is list, immutable is float. Okay, good. Every one of you. I'll wait for every one of you. Rahul Kumar, Suraksha, Kevin, Aziz. Okay. Mutable and immutable. Every one of you must type that one in the chat box. Karthik, Udank. Okay. Immutable, int and float. Mutable, sets. Good. Okay, you can see there. Immutable. We can't add or we can't remove or we can't change. Those kind of data types are known as immutable. Okay. Just for fun, I have written Python will give you left and right if you try to change. Okay. Say string is immutable. String is immutable. Tuple is immutable. Okay. You can see there. You can see the example. I have took name. Name is equal to Zophie. Zophie a cat. It is a string. Okay, I'm trying to change that one. I'm trying to change that one. I'm assigning at the seventh index as the, okay, which is not allowed, which throws you error. Okay, so you can see the error. What type error? You will get a type error. Okay, so if you want to do the same thing, say instead of Zophie a cat, we want to make the change means we must do like this. Name of, we must give some slicing, and then we must append the, and we must do slicing for the next characters. Okay, so we can say this. Say I'll take list with 1 2 3 2 and 3. Say this is the list. Okay, so I want to assign it list 1 as 4. Okay, it is allowed. If you see there, if you type L1, we will get 143. 2 has been changed. 2 has been changed. 2 has been changed. Means list has been changed. List has been changed. Okay, changed. That means it is mutable. It is mutable. Okay, everybody must know this. Similarly, we'll see the next example for string. Okay, string is immutable. String is immutable. Say I'll take a string as name. Name is equal to Zophie a cat. Zophie a cat. Okay, Zophie a cat. Say I'll type enter. Now I'll try to change name of 7. Name of 7 is equal to, say I'll try to give the. Okay, instead of a we need the there. Okay, so if I give, you'll get error. See there, type error. We are getting type error. Okay, if you want to do that one, instead of a we want the. Okay, we can type like this. No time, just so I'm just copying and pasting. very less time. So you can see the name of, I'm doing the slicing. I'm doing the slicing 0 to 7. It gives you Zophie. Similarly, I am appending with the. Okay. And catch from 8 to 12, it gives you catch. Okay. Now, if you type new name, you will get Zophie the cat. Okay. If you want to do like that, if you want to do some changes in immutable objects, we need to do like this. Okay. That's about the mutable and immutable. The next data type is tuple. Okay. The next data type is tuple. Okay, which is very important, which is very widely used in applications, lists, tuples, strings. You must learn these things very perfectly. Okay, you must study more. So tuple, we can say tuple is similar to list data type, but the elements are enclosed within small brackets. Okay, these are known as small brackets, and it is an immutable data type. Okay, that makes the difference between the list and the tuple. Okay, it's also known as heterogeneous. It's also heterogeneous data type. Heterogeneous data type. Okay, it's also an heterogeneous data type. So you can see that X is initialized with hello 42 and 0.5. Okay, so it is enclosed within small brackets. So it is a tuple. Say we can access by using individual elements. If you want hello, we can use X of 0. If you want 42 to 0.5, we can use 1 to 3. We can do slicing also. Similarly, there is one more function like length of X. It will give you the number of items in it. The number of items in it is 3. Okay, say we can do that. I'll give you various examples. Say, just I'll clear the screen. Okay, I took some tuple. Tuple means it must be enclosed within um, brackets. Say I'll take the same example. Whatever you learned. Say hello. 3 elements. It has 3 elements. I'll paste it. I'll type enter. Now I'll type eggs. Okay, it gives you the tuple. Say I want the second element. We can do that one by x of index. Index of 42 is 1. Okay. Always the first element is accessed by using 0. So you'll get 42. Similarly, say I want 0.5. You can use 0.5. For the third element, it is 2. Okay. Similarly, if I want the first element, I may use 0. Okay. Similarly, say I want from second element to third element, This is slicing. Everybody must know slicing. So you'll get 42 and 0.5. Now, if you try to change that one, okay, it will give you error. Okay, you can see there. I want to change 42 as 99. Okay, it is giving error. You can see there. I'll try to change that one. Here I'll try to give 99. So it is saying it is a type error. So you must remember this error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay. Now, similarly, if you want to know, see here, what is the type of this if you want to know the data type, we are using a function like type. Say I'll take one example like hello. Now, what is the type for this? What may be the type for this? Please type in the chat box. Type of hello. Any one of you? Type of hello. What will be the data type for this? If it will be a string. It will be a string. Okay, say if you want that one to be converted as a tuple, we must give comma. Okay, we must give comma, so it is tuple. Okay. A small difference, a small comma will give you a tuple. Okay, we'll identify that object as tuple. Okay, now similarly there are some functions like list, and you can see there list. List is also a function. Okay, it is known as typecasting function. Tuple is also a function. It is known as typecasting functions. Okay, very important. They are known as they are known as they are typecasting functions. Typecasting functions. What do you mean by typecasting? Any one of you? Please type in the chat box. Typecasting. Any one of you? What is the meaning of typecasting? Conversion of one data type to another. Good. Pramod, very good. Conversion from one data type to another data type is known as typecasting. So we are using a function like we are using list. We are using a function like list. If you want to convert any data type, if you want to convert any data type to list, we are using list. Similarly, if you want to convert any data type to tuple, we are using tuple function like this. You can see in this example, tuple. Okay, say cat, dog, and 5. It is a list internally, but it has been converted into tuple. Okay, say after this if you give type of this, it will give you list, it will give you tuple. Similarly, if you see the next example, it is converting the tuple into list. Okay, similarly, you see this example, hello is a string, but it is converted into a list. Okay, so we can do those examples. I'll take any other example. Import, say I'll take first list. I'll take list L1. So L1 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is the date? What is the type of this? What is the type of this? How to find out? How to find out the type of this? Please type in the chat box. We can use type of L1. Type of L1. So it gives you a list. If you want to convert that one to tuple, we must use tuple L1. Tuple L1. So it has been converted. Okay, now similarly, you take one more example, t1 stands for tuple. Okay, t1, I'll take one more example like t1. Let's say I'll take 100, some bank account number. I'll take some bank account number 100. Okay, this is the account number. Say we'll give the name as XYZ. Okay, similarly, I'll give his address as Vijaynagar. Okay, I'll enclose this. Now, what will be the type of this? Please type in the chat box. T1 is equal to 100 XYZ Vijayanagar. What is the type of this? Please type me. Tuple. Good. Vamshi says it is tuple. Say, you check here. Type of T1. Say it is tuple. Say I want to convert that one to list. We must use the function list. We must pass the object. We must pass T1. We must pass T1. Okay. See, it has been converted into a list. Okay. Now the next concept is references. The next concept is references. Okay, but before references, you must know variables. You must know the variables. I told you the definition of variables. I told you the definition of variables. They are like boxes. Okay, they are like boxes. They can be placed whatever we want. You can see their spam. Spam is assigned with 42. Similarly, the content of spam is exchanged to cheese. Okay. Now after that spam becomes empty. We are placing 100 into spam. Okay. Like that we can do the changes. Okay. If we assign 100 to spam, that will be not reflected in cheese. Okay. But that is not the case with the reference. Okay. You see there the definition of reference. The definition of reference. Okay, references will be pointing to something. If you make changes in one data type, it will be reflecting in everywhere. You see the example here. Spam, I have given some data. Spam is a list. Okay, actually spam is a reference of list. So whatever there is in the spam, that is assigned to cheese. That means we are referencing this data by using cheese reference. Okay, so if you make any changes in the cheese, that will be also reflected in spam. Okay, we see there we are assigning hello to 1. Okay, you see the cheese here, it has been changed to hello, but similarly it has been spam also has been changed to hello. Okay, so references means they are the pointers. If you change in one of the thing, it will be reflected in other uh, other lists also. Okay, you must know this. References and variables differences. If you want to overcome this, say we don't want to reflect those things in spam. If you want to do that, we may use a module known as copy. Okay, similarly here there is one more example where references are doing the influence. You see there, what is the name of the function? Is there any function in this program passing reference? What is the name of the function in that program? X. Good. Vamshi says X, Pramod says X, Abhishek says X. Good. All these are textbook examples. You see there, it is a function. So we are taking a list spam 1 2 3, we are passing to X, and we are doing some changes. We are appending hello. Okay, here if we print the spam, it is reflecting because spam is a reference. Okay, so to avoid the changes in many copies, we are using a function, or we are using a module known as copy. Okay, you see the module here, copy. We are importing copy, and you see there we have assigned the spam is equal to abcd. Now we are copying to the cheese. Okay, now only 42 spam content is copied to cheese, it becomes abcd. Now if we do the changes in cheese, okay, that will be not reflected in spam. Okay, if you see the cheese, it has been changed to 42. Okay, you must know the difference. Of reference and variables. Okay, that is the topic. Okay, now the next thing is the dictionary. Dictionary, very important data type, used everywhere in the applications, most of the applications. So index dictionary will be having a dictionary is a data type which has indexes and key values. Okay, these are known as indexes, these are known as values. Okay, these are known as keys, these are known as values. Okay, so dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. It's a collection of key value pairs. Okay, now you can see there I have took a dictionary, I have named that one as my cat. Okay, so I have defined the key as size and value as fat. Okay, color as key, its color is gray. Okay, the value of color is gray. Similarly, the value of disposition is loud. Okay, now we can copy the same thing, dictionary. Okay, I'll go here, I'll paste it, now. Say I want the size, my cat's size. Okay, if you want to access we must pass the key value. Okay, the size must be enclosed within quotes. Okay, key must be enclosed within quotes. Okay, so what is the mistake? If you want to access the value, what is the mistake? Good. Promote says capitals, capital cat. Good. Here you see there, I must give capital C. I must give capital C because you see there, I have defined a capital C. Okay, so my cat of size. I'll type enter. You see there it is fat. Similarly, say we want its color. We want its color. We must give the color as key. Color as key. Okay, it is gray. Now we want its disposition. We want its disposition. Okay, we will get loud. We will get loud. Okay, similarly, I'll make one more dictionary. Dictionary 1. Okay, say it must be always begin with flower brackets. Okay, and keys must be placed within quotes. Okay, so I'll take India. I'll take India. Now I'll give capital city. It's capital city. Okay, as New Delhi. Okay, similarly, I'll take one more key. One more key as say Nepal. Okay, say I'll give its value as Kathmandu. Okay. Now similarly, I'll take one more country. Say Sri Lanka. I'll take Sri Lanka. Okay, I'll give its value. I will give its value as Colombo. Okay. Dictionary 1 has been created. Dictionary 1 has been created. Okay. Now, if you want all the keys of dictionary, we may use a function like dict1 dot keys. Dict1 dot keys. It's a function. It's an inbuilt function. Okay. Say India is a key. Okay. Nepal is a key. Sri Lanka is a key. Okay. Similarly, say we want it's all the values in the dictionary. All the values in the dictionary. Say I may use values. Okay. You see there all the values. New Delhi, Kathmandu, Colombo. Okay. These are the values. Say we want the value pairs. Okay, we may use items, both key and value pairs. We may use items. Items is a function. Items is a method. You see there we got India, New Delhi, Nepal, Kathmandu, like that. It will be we'll be getting the output as a list of key value pairs. Okay. Are you understanding? Please respond me. Am I fast? Are you understanding? Please respond me. Say yes or no. Type in the chat box. Okay, Abhishek says yes. Good. Am I fast? Okay, you see here. We took an example of my cat. Okay, a size represents cat. Okay, similarly, my cat of color. You see that my cat has gray fur. Okay, so instead of gray, we are giving the value as color. Okay, we can also we can concatenate the strings with dictionary values. Okay, so similarly, see the next example. Span is having 1, 2, 3, 4 as a key. It is having value as page combination 42. The answer. Okay. You see, can be one more dictionary. One more dictionary. Pick two. Before that, I'll clear the screen. I'll take one dictionary. One dictionary. Dictionary two. I'll take. I'll define the values. Even you can give integer also. Or will give two. Okay. For uh, for one, I'll give some value as India. Okay. The value two for two, I'll give US. Okay. Similarly, for three is the key value. So this is the example to show the integers. Okay. For three, I'll give value say earlier. Now say we want the value of one. So we'll give big one, big two of one. Okay. No need to give single quotes. So India. Okay. Let us see what happens if we give quotes. It should not be given because we did not define with the quotes. Okay. Say I want to know all the keys in bit two. How to do that? All the keys of the dictionary dict two. Please type in the chat box all the values. I study a function. Please type in the chat box. You see here dot it do dot keys. Okay. It gives you the keys to be. Similarly, we want the values. We want the values. Okay. We do like this. The values. Similarly, we want items. For key value page. And like this. Okay. Now, next is the list versus list. This one difference between business and list. Okay. Here order of elements matters. Okay. Order of elements matters in list, but order of elements doesn't in dictionaries. Neither spam the list having cat, dogs, and mouse in order. Same order. If I place box in the first, and if I place one back, if you check the both, it gives you first. Both are not same. Okay. So order matters here. Order matters here. Okay. For the list. But if you see the dictionaries, you see that I have a dictionary like X. Okay. X is having names of species cat and age is 8. In the second dictionary, I changed the order. Okay. And after that, if you compare time, true, getting us true. Okay. So order doesn't matter here. Order doesn't matter here. Okay. So we do for that. I'll take list one. I'll take list one. I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'll take two. I'll take list two. Now I take 4, 2, 3. What will the output for this? Can you type in the chat box? You see there L1 is equal to L2. Okay. What first, whether it is true or false? Please me, every one of you. It is, whether it is true or false inside the chat box. L1 is equal to L2. My voice is not clear. Okay. Is it visible? Is it visible? Just me. Okay. My voice is breaking and it has been hanged. 1 minute. I do rectify. Some minute. Okay. I think we can stop here. I think we stop here. Thank you so much. Some network issues. We can stop here.